Hi everyone, it's Lisa here and welcome to Crochet with Lisa. Today I'm going to show you how to do front post double crochet and back post double crochet. So I've started my sample with some regular double crochets. As a reminder of how we do a double crochet, we just yarn over, go through the top of the stitch from below, yarn over, pull back a loop. So we yarn over, come through two, yarn over, go through the next two. For a front post double crochet, instead of working in the top of our stitch, we're going to work around the post below the stitch. So yarn over, we're going to go around that post, yarn over, pull back a loop, yarn over, we'll go through two, yarn over, go through the next two. So we are making a double crochet just around that post, not in the top of our stitch. To do a back post double crochet, same thing, we're going to yarn over. We're going to go around the back of this post. You can turn your work to look at it, or just stick your hook around that post. Yarn over, and you have three on your hook, so yarn over through two, yarn over through the next two. Do a front post one again. So we're yarning over, we're going to go around the front of our post, yarn over, we'll complete a double crochet. We'll do the back one, back post double crochet, so yarn over, we'll go around the post from the back, yarn over, pull back a loop, and we'll complete our double crochet. So if you alternate between front post double crochet and back post double crochet, you'll get this ribbing effect. So there you go. That's how you do a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet. So have a great day and happy crocheting.